Good morning, Mr. Scott. I trust your journey wasn't too unpleasant.
First class.
The manager of the hotel has requested the pleasure of your company.
Welcome to the Continental. I'm a sensation.
This grand institution is part of a very old and sacred fabric, Winston.
What am I doing here?
Your brother stole something from me.
I don't know what Frankie is.
What Frankie took is very important to a lot of very dangerous people. If you don't retrieve it, I'll bring the weight of this whole institution down on you both.
This isn't the kind of thing that we just walk away from.
We kill Cormac, taking his damn house and everything that comes with it.
A takeover of the whole hotel?
How are we supposed to believe a guy in an ascot can pull this off?
It's a cravat.
It's time to outsource. Perhaps some of our guests are available.
Sharon.
So you're here for revenge?
Oh, no, this is about justice.
Red light active.
And away we go.
You thought you could outsmart the high table. How foolish of you.
Can you dig it?
This is my house. Kill all these suckers!
What I'm asking you to do is not easy. I'm offering you a chance to decide who you want to be.
Looking for the man in an ascot.
I'm sorry, I